Thank you, Chuck. Good morning. It is clear from last night that we are now on a partisan forced march towards a predetermined outcome. I fully agree with Leader Schumer's remarks in that respect. I want to add an additional point. I have been an assistant attorney general and an attorney general in my state. I've been a United States attorney. I've been the governor's legal counsel. I've been a practicing private lawyer. I have taught in law schools. For 40 years, I have looked at, participated in, and studied legal proceedings. And one thing is true, whether you're looking at a criminal proceeding or a civil proceeding or an administrative proceeding, and that is that there is only two ways in which evidence is kept out of the proceeding. One is if it is excluded because of some legal bar to its presentation, and the other is if you don't know it's there. There is no third way. This proceeding, in my reckoning, for the first time in a multi-century tradition of American legal history, is denying to a legal proceeding evidence that we all know is there, that the House managers actually said is sitting in boxes ready to be produced to the Senate, without any finding that any of it should be excluded. Indeed, there could be no finding that it should be excluded because it meets every standard for the presentation of evidence. So my point for those who are not as familiar with the background to where we are right now as they might be, is what a bizarre aberration this proceeding has become against a long and otherwise uncheckered background of American legal tradition. It is, as Leader Schumer said, a dark day from a dark night. Thank you. Senator Murphy of Connecticut.